This has got to be the lightest beer I've ever tasted. There is a little body to it. There is some body to it. I'll give you that. It's more than just more than malt soda. But there's more flavor in Coors Light than there is in this, and that's saying something. Huh? All right. Well, the thing is what was I expecting? That's unfair. That's unfair to really go this far, is to really bash it, because I was. Does it meet expectations? I was expecting absolute making love in a canoe, and that's exactly what I got. So, did it meet expectations? Yes, it did. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.